just saying.
Trae
So
got the fastest car in Twin Cities.
well, guys, I'm about to go live right now because we have officially filled up all spots for the giveaway car. So I'm going live right now, and we're gonna pick our 3 lucky winners. I'm gonna wait in here so all the people can get in. I think I'm gonna put this on the outside. All right.
How many people?
59. I'm gonna wait a little bit, obviously, so that the people can get in here. We're filming for the YouTube. If you're local and you win, hopefully you're fine with being on camera. Can I go wide on this? I don't know if I can go wide. You guys have seen the car many times. There's a little imperfection in the wrap. This whole rear bumper is gonna get rewrapped. The tint obviously got fixed. We did expel 15% all the way around, and then basically all the same shit that you guys have seen already. It's got a brand new heater core on it too, as well. It's a stage 2 plus car on E85. I'm walking in circles. I don't know if you guys are getting dizzy yet.
Yeah.
Let me answer some of these. Burble tune. It doesn't have a burble tune, but it does have like a very light, like pop and bang, but it's not like a nasty, like BMW ugly shit. No offense to anybody who drives a BMW. When is actual drawing? Might have to rejoin. The actual drawing is gonna be in like 30 seconds. No, not literally 30 seconds. Like,
yes, Trae.
like 2 minutes. Like 2 minutes.
Long.
I'm just talking. I'm answering them. Well, you know, I gotta make it suspenseful. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this shit so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a little test draw before we get into it. So what number do you guys want me to put here for max? So I'm gonna do a couple test draws just to show you guys that it's not f***ing rigged. Sure, 1,000. We'll do 1,000. Okay, so you guys obviously see that I can't f***ing pick these numbers. We'll do 500 too. Okay, so you guys see. All right. Okay, so we're obviously gonna start with first place, and then we'll do second, and then we'll do third. Okay, this is not the winner right here. I'm about to f***ing hit generate for first place. So, you ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1. 54.
Okay, wait, I can look.
54 is our winner. 54 is our first f***ing winner. They are the winner for the car. Who's number 54?
I'm trying to see. 54 is Jack Colmer.
Let me see. Let's do
Second place.
we'll do second place for $1,000. All right, ready? I'm gonna go for second place. This is for $1,000. 3, 2, 1. 122.
Gabriel
122.
Murillo.
Gabriel Murillo, you are second place. That's for $1,000. And then for the last one, everybody's probably gonna hate me anyways. We got $250 for third place. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 127. Nathan Flores. Nathan Flores. What is that? 127. Nathan Flores. Babe, you're supposed to be recording that.
Sorry.
Where's Jack? Is Jack here?
No, none of them are.
Everybody's saying Jack is here. Where's Jack? I don't see Jack. There's Jack. Jack! Jack, you're the winner, bro.
Where? Where'd he say that?
He said, is it me?
Oh.
Jack, look at your Facebook Messenger. Because I'm calling you, or I'm trying to call you. He's working? Is he actually working? Jack. I'm in chat. You can't see me? Yeah, I can. I can see you.
My car is in the shop right now, too, he just said. Oh, it's calling.
Yeah. Yo!
What's goody?
Hold up. Here's Jack, everybody.
What up? Been at work, fam.
You're at work?
I'm flipping pizzas.
Shit, dude. Well, you just want a fucking car.
That's fucking insane.
See if he had only one. Did he
Yeah.
have one?
How many entries did you have?
2 of them.
2.
Did I think right around Christmas.
Hell yeah, dude.
Jesus.
How do you feel? Here, let me show you the car a little bit. I know you saw it already, but
Yo, bro, look at this. That's fucking crazy.
yeah, dude.
Dude. Oh my god, thank you so much.
Dude, there's so many people mad at you right now.
I got here stupidly. Yo, I was at work. I'm sorry.
Oh shit, man.
Oh my god.
Well,
Holy shit.
I'm gonna figure out how to end this live, and then I'll probably give you my number, and then I'll be in contact with you to figure out shipping and everything.
Alright, sweet, man. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem, dude. Congrats.
Thank you.
Peace.
Peace.
Good guy, Jack. Shout out, Jack. I'm pacing and everything. Are you still filming this whole time?
Yes.
All right, guys. Well, we got our 3 winners. Jack was flipping pizzas and he just won a car. All right, guys. Well, we got our winner. All of our winners. None of them are local, but we got all of our winners. Now we have to ship the car to New York because that's where he lives. Flipping pizzas in New York. Congrats to Jack. I hope you enjoy the car. This thing was a process, but we finally got it over with, and now the car can go to the new owner. Good job, Jack. Damn. Okay, before this car leaves, we have to fix this fucking wrap. You guys saw it. It doesn't really come off in one piece, but we gotta fix some of this wrap for the new guy. And then once we're finished with that, the transport truck is gonna come pick it up, and this car is gonna go to New York. I'll have him send us videos or something so that I can throw that in the end of this clip when he receives the car, but we gotta fix this first. Look at that. Beautiful. And you can tell we put the other wheels back on. Yeah, shout out my boy, man. All right, for real though. Shout out Ty. Thanks, Ty. Ty helped me with that. Got that done for me. Now the transport truck's gonna come pick it up. We'll record that, and then off the car goes to Jack. All right, ladies and gents. Long story short, the giveaway car, here it is. There's been a lot of videos I've done in between choosing the winner and now, but I didn't want to post any more videos until I got this car out of here to the new owner, aka the winner. Just because I know you guys are probably like, what the fuck? You scammed him. Where's the fucking giveaway car? Nah, nah, nah. So I'm just here to prove to you guys that this car is now leaving to the giveaway winner. We had a really long story about a specific company that was supposed to pick up this car for the last almost week and a half now, and every day they had a different excuse, didn't show up. So no hard feelings, but I gotta get this thing out of here. I can't hold it anymore. So I hit up one of my friends last night and they hopped on it like that. I wish I would have hit him up in the first place, but it's the next morning from when I talked to him, and he already has someone coming to pick this thing up. So it is 10:30 in the morning. The person, well, it's 10:20. The person is supposed to be here at 10:30. Load this car on the trailer, and then off to New York it goes to Jack, and then I'll have Jack call me when he gets it, and then I'll throw a little clip in here at the end when he gets the car, and that's it. So it's been a long process and like a little bumpy, but we got it, and the car is about to leave. So guys, it's freaking cold as shit out here. Like, I'm freezing. It's like negative 10 degrees. I know you're like, oh, you don't have a jacket on, you idiot. I know I don't, but the car is getting picked up right now. He's grabbing wood, throwing the car on. I'll take some vids, but I gotta put my hands in my pockets for now. It's cold. It was just barely touching.
Yeah, but we need to lift the back. Am I out of the wood?
You're right at the end of it. There you go. Got it on there, huh? You wanted one of these?
Yeah.
I got a couple of them.
Yeah, well, now that's forcing me a difference.
Yeah. Woo, it's cold.
All right. Beauty.
All right, off to New York she goes. There she goes. See you later, alligator. Now I drive off in my other B5s.
It's beautiful.